In this video, I'll show you how I make my smoothie prep for the entire week. Please keep watching.
Look for me. Damn, I want the line. Always in the north side.
First, I use watermelon, any size that you want, some apples, ginger, lemons, bananas, oranges, and I mostly use almond milk, but this time I chose any full cream milk that was available. So now I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to do a banana smoothie and a watermelon smoothie. Starting with the banana smoothie, I'm pouring in my milk. I'm peeling my banana and I'm adding it to the milk in the blender. Take your time in doing so. Make sure you wash your fruits really well. One thing that I mostly do is I use warm water and I add a little bit of salt. Put the fruits in it for some time, wash it out again, and I start using it. And even when I start making my smoothies, I'm still washing the fruits in between. I don't know, I just like washing things. This is something I'm not going to boil. I'm going to eat it straight up, so I need to make sure like it's clean. To get the juices out of lemons and oranges, I mostly press it against the table, press the side. It helps me get more out of it and it makes squeezing them with your hands easier to do. I'm going to cut them and squeeze all of the juices into the cup. Make sure to clean your workstation. I don't know how many times I cleaned this table and how many times I washed my hands. It was crazy. Using a strainer, you can strain it so that you can take the seeds out. Now I'm cutting my ginger up and I'm adding it to it. Take your time to blend this. I mostly start with 2 and then later I put around 5, 6 for just like a few seconds and then I'm done. Our banana smoothie is ready to be served. I'm going to be pouring it into my mason jars. That's what I mostly use. For the amount of fruits I had, I got about 3 containers. If you want more, I'm sure you can do more. You can even do more milk. So this is it. Banana smoothie is ready to go into the fridge. Now we're moving on to our watermelon and apple smoothie. So we have our watermelon here, we have our apple, we have lemon, and then we have oranges. First, I'm going to cut that up. One thing I do with my watermelons is I don't spend minutes the seed in them. I love the seeds, so I blend it with everything. Like I just blend it, and I'm cutting it up. And I'm going to blend it. I do not add water to it when I'm blending it. I just put it on one or pause for it to blend for a while and then finally let it blend on its own. There's so much water in watermelon, it can blend itself. And what I do with the second part is when I'm pouring it in a container, I don't pour all of it. I leave a little in it for the apples. This is the final cut, like the whole watermelon is done now. So this is my second or third blend. I left a little in and decided to now cut my apples and put it in. Here you see that it was taking a while for it to blend, so I'll pour in some more watermelon to help aid it. I do not strain this, I keep the fiber, everything in it. So even though I'm doing a watermelon smoothie, you find that my smoothies are pretty thick. Now this juice again is orange and lemon. I'm straining it, I'm taking the seeds out and I'm adding it to it. My watermelon smoothie is done. It's ready to be served. I'm mixing it all in and now I'm transferring it into the mason jar. I got about seven of that, and as for our banana smoothie we got 3, making it 10 in total. I mostly take 2 a day, making it like 5 days a week. So Monday to Tuesday 2, and if once in a while I decide to take it like once, sometimes it lasts from Monday to Sunday, then the next Monday I make a new batch. So this is it. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these, and bye.